Innovative ways to make money online quick. You probably realize there are 1,000,001 methods to make money quickly on the web if you've been online any length of time. Internet supplies an amazing chance to begin a house-based company with a minimal investment while setting your own schedule and delighting in time with your family more than ever. Let's explore some creative ways to make money online and build a strong stream of income. You can earn money at home doing what you do best, whether it's motivation speaking, consulting, marketing, writing, making crafts, sewing, cooking, parenting, painting. You can develop your own special niche products and promote it online through your own site, affiliate marketing, and online auctions. As soon as your site is ready to offer, you'll require to promote it through complimentary and paid search engines, content marketing, press releases, online ads, e-newsletter ads, and possibilities even of offline avenues. While you're developing your service, you can still offer products or services through online auctions to get instant direct exposure. MLM and network marketing. Another way to make money quick is to sign on with a MLM, multi-level marketing company, and begin networking with others. The great thing about these programs is you can learn from skilled members that are already making cash. Help others start a business online. You can likewise make fast money by assisting others start an online home business. You can offer items, ebooks, and software to assist others learn how to start. There are countless people every day looking for that ideal organization online. They are seeking methods to earn money on the net, just like you. When you offer services to assist them understand their dreams, you will earn an earnings at the same time. And this kind of organization can be very satisfying as you see others succeed. Some software applications that are popular in this field are affiliate software, email follow-up software, motivation CDs, ebooks about making money, home-based business suggestions, site creation software, etc., etc. Earn money with your computer through freelance bids. If you're delighted with a home-based business in which you work a set variety of hours or total jobs for others, you can easily generate income in the house through freelance bid site. There are thousands of companies trying to find experienced individuals in fields such as information entry, medical billing or transcription, coding, writing, web design, graphic design, and accounting. You can use your abilities to make money from home while still being your own employer as a freelancer. With any new home business, expect to work hard if you wish to generate income quickly. Every business needs cautions, research, study, and day-to-day effort to make it work. Utilize the basic, however financially rewarding ideas to generate income fast with an online business today. If you have been online any length of time, you most likely realize there are 1,000,001 methods to make cash fast on the web. Let's check out some creative methods to make money online and build a strong stream of. You can make cash at home doing what you do best, whether it's motivational speaking, consulting, marketing, composing, making crafts, sewing, cooking, painting, or parenting. You can likewise make fast money by assisting others start online home companies. Use these easily. However, profitable ideas to make money fast with an online business today. I hope you have taken some of this in. There are lots of ways to make money online. If you want to find out maybe 280 more, go to my YouTube channel, which is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366, where you will find I have over 280 videos on how to earn money online. Now, there is below my video a lot of links. They are links of programs I have joined. I do not own any of the programs at all. They're all affiliate links. I use affiliate links to try and make money on programs I like, trying to give them to other people so they can join. But if they do join, then I make a small commission. Also, I have put tools underneath with links on them. Tools I use to work the internet. Same with these, they're affiliated links. So if you buy a tool, I make a commission. This is the way the internet works. You put links within stories, links within pages, links within websites, links within emails, hoping people will click on them. And when they do, if they purchase or join, you make commissions. Also, underneath, you'll find a like button, or maybe that side. Please click on it and subscribe. This helps me with YouTube. At the top, there's a bell above the video. Click on the bell and press all next to it. YouTube will inform you when I put another video up. If you don't want to go to my website, they'll let you know when I'm putting another one up. But as I say, please go to my site and have a look. There's 280 programs. There'll be more when you look, because I do a video every day. But they're all on earning money on the internet, or how to. So, another thing, before you join any program or purchase anything, do your research, because scammers use the internet all the time. Go to Google, put in what program you're looking at. Google will come up with all the reasons to join or not to join. Also, YouTube is another good place. But in YouTube, you put how to in the browser bar, and then how to make money. How to make money online. How to start an online business. Work from home. All those sort of things you put into YouTube after how to. And they bring videos up which you can watch. Very, very good way of learning. So this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here. Please, please press the like button and subscribe. If you want more, click on the bell and press all. Then YouTube will inform you when my next video is up. So for now, may I wish you all the best with your internet ventures, and I hope you succeed as I have. So all the best from Ian Jackson. Hope you come back. Press the like button below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye for now.